about to go. Yeah, I did my hair, as you can see. My real hair is just sticking up. It's like really annoying me. Like I just, it's getting on my nerves. Like, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car. Okay, I'm trying to drive and record, y'all. So y'all remember in my video when I said, oh, I didn't say it, never mind, I didn't even put it in the video, but I have burned my forehead with my hot comb or whatever, and it's healing. So that's why it looks, you know, right there, you see that little like mark or whatever, because it's healing right now. But y'all, I'm on the way to my wax appointment. Y'all already see I did my hair, I put my lashes on, and I did my lip, and I still have to do my nails. So these how my nails look right now. They look a mess. Alright y'all, I just made it to my appointment. Hey y'all, what's up? So do my nails and my feet because they need to be done. I like filming videos in here. It's just like, this is just peaceful to me, you know, in here. So we about to do the deluxe. This is how it looks, y'all. So I glued one hand on and I'm about to start the other one. If y'all have not seen my girl talk video, it just was posted like 47 minutes ago. Make sure you guys go watch. Part 2 will be on her channel, so make sure you go subscribe to her channel. And yeah. When I'm doing my nails, I make sure it's tap proof because I like to tap on my phone. So yeah.
I've been a glueless wig maker for the past
tap proof.
Now our wigs are
okay.
Alright y'all, what y'all think about this?
Y'all, I be watching him. Hold on, can't see. Nick Jones. I've been watching him for like a couple months. He be talking about some real stuff and like stuff that be going on in the world. So y'all should go tune into his channel. And yeah, let me finish.
Hey, it's the please him in everything you do. That's what a lot of things.
I got my package from the Perfect Collection, and I ordered this on Saturday and I got it today. So we're gonna unbox. Make sure y'all go shop with my girl. This up. Let's talk about it. Like, what? Yes, ma'am. This is so pretty. Hey, pretty girl, your order made my day, and I cannot wait to see you wear your new TPK products. Each item was curated with you in mind. Excited. Okay, we opening it. All right, so I got 3 lip glosses. 4. How they look? So this is her box. This is normally. So it looks like this. It says let your pretty do the talking. Ingredients. How professional is this? Like, this need to be in stores, like, for real. Target, Walmart, the whole 9. Okay, and then her business card. Real cute, and a QR code. I like that. I like that. So it's mirror, mirror. It's just a regular clear gloss. Mirror. It's really, really cute. I really love it. And it. Stop playing with her. What? Who? Find me somebody who lip glosses. Find me. Right now. Find me somebody. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. Y'all go get y'all lip glosses, okay? This one is called Hush. I think this is the pink one. Let me see. Yes, I'm so excited for this one. This one is pink. Oh my gosh. Yo, look at this color. This color is so pretty. It's called Hush. And it's just pretty pink. Like, OMG, OMG, I'm so excited. I cannot, y'all know I do my lip combos. I can't wait to do them. Can't wait to do my lip combos, because that is a real life cute. And then this is Boy Bye. This is not from the new collection, but this is Boy Bye. I really like Boy Bye too. Alright, and this one is called Cherry on Top. It is a matte red. Like, look at her red. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. And it's really matte. Like, I love it. Especially like a matte red. I feel like red looks better when it's matte. Like, it's so pretty. Y'all, I'm so excited. OMG. So excited, y'all. I got my hair done. I got my lip glosses. Like, it's a great day. This is how my hair looks. And my hair looks extremely big right now. Yep, parts clean. So go ahead and get in the shower, y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I got the shower. So I'm out the shower. Now I'm about to go ahead and make me some business cards, because so we have the Charleston Expo this week. So I don't know why I look like I have a thing right there, but we have the Charleston Expo this week. So I really want to go to the expo or whatever, you know, just get exposure and get my business out there, you feel what I'm saying? So yep, that is about it for this video, y'all. This is just like a maintenance vlog or whatever the case is, me getting myself together. So stay tuned for episode 2 because we are going out. And my hair is extremely long, but I really love it. My head is big, but it's okay. And that is about it, y'all. It's 8:45 right now, so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start working on my business cards and do what else I need to do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. And make sure you share this video with a brother, sister, auntie, cousin, everybody. And stay tuned for my upcoming videos because I got them videos coming for y'all, like for real. So that is it, y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Make sure you follow me on my social medias, okay? Period. And that's it. Bye, y'all.